I'm Peter Sidwell, and today's recipe is all about getting out on the barbecue. An amazing char grilled chicken drenched in this incredible sticky syrup of chili, ginger, garlic and lime. Once you've grilled it on the barbecue, it goes straight into that amazing syrup, and we're going to serve it up with a bulgur wheat salad flavoured with fennel, pomegranate and pumpkin seeds. So if I've got your taste buds tingling and your mouth watering, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you will find the recipe there.